Okay. What are your favorite clouds? There are so many different types of clouds. Ones that are big, small, medium, attached, detached, fluffy, straight. There's so many. But today, hi, my name is Phoebe Radburn, and today I will be explaining to you my 3 favorite clouds and why. For my first one, this is the cumulonimbus cloud. These are big and fluffy, they are dark, and they come before a thunderstorm. Cumulonimbus clouds are kind of big and almost menacing looking. They sometimes can be super dark on the underbelly and really light on top. These clouds can hold hail, lightning, thunder, anything that comes before a thunderstorm, which I love thunderstorms, so this is why it's my favorite cloud. A second favorite cloud, moving on to my second point, cumulus clouds. These are my second favorite cloud because they are fluffy, very bright and white, and big. And most of these clouds are actually detached. They're individual clouds, but they just look all together. These clouds almost look like cauliflower, which I find funny. And you find these clouds on a day where it's sunny and bright and just an overall nice summer day. You find these mostly in the summertime. Moving on to my third point, why cirrus clouds are my third favorite cloud. You find them very high up in the sky. So at super high altitudes, you can find these. So when you're on an airplane, you would most likely find cirrus clouds. There are tons of them, and they all look somewhat the same. Either they are spotted, like the ones on the left-hand side in the picture, or they are lined looking, like the ones on the right. But the fun thing about these clouds is that in the sunset or the sunrise, they take on the color of which the sky is. So if the sky is like a peachy yellow color, these clouds would look almost like pink, which is fun. Thank you for listening to my 3 favorite clouds, which are cumulonimbus, cumulus, and cirrus clouds. I hope you can enjoy the beauty of clouds as much as I can. Thank you.